Welcome back. We were able to close the document by closing this element and reopening in order to make the additional suggestions, which would not allow us to work with them, to go away. So what we're now going to do is we're going to go to this element. We're going to go to this element that says adjust the length. And for this particular document, we're going to lengthen it. So we're going to move the scale up so far it's longer, and we're going to go to the longest that it can possibly be. Once we do that, all we'll need to do is to click enter. And what you'll see is that ChatGPT will tell us that it's beginning to work on the document, and it is making the document longer as we speak. And you can see the creation process in real time. So as you can see, we can use the lengthening tool inside of ChatGPT Canvas to make our document longer than it was before. What we're now going to do is we're going to go backward. We're now going to go to this element, and we're going to suggest edits based on the new document. We're going to click on Suggest Edits, and we're going to suggest more edits. Now for this particular case, we were unable to get the suggested edits to work a second time. So likely, once you've used your suggested edits in this specific screen, you may have used the maximum number of times. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.